Yep, I'm El Proto. This is Autotune. In this video, I'll show you how to do this. Don't believe your mind, don't believe your mind. You feel like that tick deep, don't believe your mind. I'm just going to take this out and I'm going to duplicate this. So you just left click on it, left click on what you want to duplicate and hold down that left click, and another one come up. So it's here. Now what I will do now is make unique. So I come to this point here and I left click, go to make unique. Okay, here, this one, make unique. What happens is this is now a unique one. I can now send it to its own mixer track, which will be this one. I've done this before, so Ctrl L. Okay, it still retains the name of the one I did before. So what will happen is, since this one is unique, I double left click there to bring up this. Now look at this pitch. I'll take it all the way to the left. It's going to make it bass kind of. I'm going to show you two ways to do this. I'm using FL Studio 20 here. This is what the voice turns to now. What I need to do now is to take the parts that I want, which is don't believe your mind, and I will cut the other part out. I'll cut out the rest part. So I use my slice tool there to cut, and I'll delete. Now I'll take this out by 1, 2, so that it doesn't just come up at don't believe your mind. Don't believe your mind, don't believe your mind. Okay, so I just want the second don't believe your mind. Don't believe your mind, don't believe your mind. Your mind. Okay. Don't believe your mind, don't believe your mind. You feel like you get it? You can use this for different things. So what I did here, I added a little reverb to it. So I sent it to the reverb track, with reverb 2 here. I remove the dry and make sure the dry is not there. And I add delay, remove the dry too, which is this one. Then the dry all the way down. So just some little percentage of delay and a little percentage of reverb to the track. For this voice now, if I take it all the way to the right, this is what will happen. It's just to show you, but I won't use it. But maybe you might come up with cool thing to do with this. Guys, don't give in to a pair of lies. You fit me down, don't believe your mind, don't believe your mind. Don't believe your mind. You feel like don't. You heard that? So don't believe your mind. We hardly use that. Maybe you might come up with something nice. If you can, let me know. What Autotune am I using here? I'm using Autotune 8. Okay. The way to do it with Autotune 8 is to take this transpose all the way to the left. So it goes to -12. It gives you the same thing. This is what happens. So you get it? It's the same thing, you know, with Autotune 8. So you just need to take the transpose all the way to the left. You can also do it with Autotune Pro. I think I have Autotune Pro somewhere. Autotune. Okay, here we have it. This is Autotune Pro. Don't bother about all this. The main thing here is this transpose. I have a video on how to use this Autotune Pro. I will leave it in the video card. The main thing here is the transpose. So you take it all the way down to -12 and you hear it. So it does the same thing that you do with this one. Then if you take it the other way to +12, this is what happens. Okay, so if you have something to do with that, let me know. I just gave you two ways you can come up with that bass vocal. Then the other one, don't believe your mind. kind of stuff. If you if you have something to do with that, or you've done something with that kind of voice, I haven't, but if you have done something with that, let me know. Like this video if you like it. If you haven't already, subscribe to this channel. There are many great videos coming your way to help you in your music, and there are lots of great videos on this channel to help you in your music. Hit the notification bell so that you don't miss a thing when we drop new videos. I'm El Proto. This is Autotune. That's it.
See me small, don't believe your eyes. Don't give in to a terror of lies.